The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
All right, coming up on 6:48, oftentimes this time of year, you kind of get confused by the weather, right? The swings in the temperatures can also confuse the plants. You see these snowdrops. Really cool shot here from C Froggy 64 sent to us through Pinnit. And speaking of snowdrops, well, snow is dropping from the sky in parts of the upper Midwest. You see that in Missouri, Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, Kansas, and Nebraska. That's all with a quick hitting system that comes through our area later tonight. Here's 11 a.m. today. Clouds moving through. We're dry. Let's fast forward to about 10 p.m., 11 p.m. And there you see this boundary separating the cold from the north from the warm to the south. So that's why we think any kind of accumulating snow is more likely north of I-64 and in West Virginia. That would be between about 10 p.m. today and about 4 a.m. tomorrow. So you wake up tomorrow morning, yeah, a few flurries in the New River Valley, but it'll be windy and it'll be cold for you. So as far as, again, accumulation is concerned, there you see in the darker blue, that's your 1 to 3 north of Interstate 64. In the baby blue, anywhere from nothing to maybe an inch. And again, that's really going to be dependent on elevation, whereas Roanoke, Lynchburg, south side, you're not getting anything out of this. Let's talk about the wind heading into tomorrow. Be gusty at times, especially in the New River Valley and in the Roanoke Valley. Outside of that, wind gusts 20 to 30 miles per hour. This is actually one of the windier times of year. Anyways, going to be cold tomorrow, too. Highs 30s and lower 40s. Sunshine Sunday, less wind. So we'll start in the 20s. We'll see highs upper 40s and lower 50s. And the warming trend continues heading into President's Day with highs in the 50s. The warmest weather, that's likely going to be in the nation's midsection there. As you see, likely above average temperatures there. Some of that leads into the eastern U.S. So by next week, we'll see highs in the 50s and 60s and eventually some wetter weather returning late next week. And you see that playing out in the extended forecast. For the New River Valley, check it out. Very cold mornings heading into next week. But with each afternoon, temperatures gradually start to rise a little bit more. President's Day, low to mid 50s. By the end of the week, we're in the mid to upper 50s, and you see rain chances returning late next Thursday. In the Roanoke Valley, you see rain with maybe a little bit of a snow mix, especially some higher elevations of the valley. That's overnight tonight. Then by the weekend, there you see the progressive rise in temperatures, 57 by President's Day. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, your highs about 58 to 62 degrees. Rain chances rising later next week.